Could a desert in the middle of a continent once have been covered by ocean? Is there such a thing as a precious gem fossil? Where do people escape when the desert heat gets too much? Let's visit Coober Pedy and find out. In the harsh, remote desert of South Australia, you'll find a unique gathering of people. Many have made this place home, and it has known various names throughout history. In more recent times, the local Aboriginal community adopted the name Yamuna. However, many would be most familiar with the name Coober Pedy. This name comes from an Aboriginal term chosen by miners over 100 years ago. It means white fella, hole in the ground. There really is no better way to describe Coober Pedy. In fact, it could quite easily be described as one of the holiest places in Australia. And that has nothing to do with the many underground churches you'll discover here. So, what has attracted so many people to Coober Pedy? Why are there so many holes in the ground? The answer lies just beneath the dry, dusty surface. Dig down and the remains of a once living and active seabed can be found. Here lies a hoard of ancient treasures, formed by nature and now valued as one of the world's most precious gemstones, the stunningly iridescent opal. Once covered by ocean, the Coober Pedy region eventually became a desert as the water level dropped. The receding water trickled down through the earth into cracks and crevices. This silica-rich water slowly evaporated over time to create the opal now found today. Decaying sea creatures also left cavities for silica to collect in. Because of this, many priceless opalized aquatic life fossils have been found here. From ancient squid, fish and mollusks to various reptilian creatures, many of which are now extinct. You won't find any sea breeze here now. Harsh temperature extremes can make life extremely uncomfortable in Coober Pedy. Drawn to the promise of striking it rich, or perhaps just to behold the beauty of opal, people have found inventive ways to survive in the harsh climate. Living underground in dugouts is a very popular option. Roughly 50% of residents call somewhere underground home sweet home. At a consistent average temperature of about 22 degrees Celsius, a dugout home is very comfortable. It can also be profitable, as digging to create new living spaces holds the promise of finding precious opal. That extra 7th bedroom addition could be where you strike it rich.